Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use ChatGPT for the first time. So if you are not familiar with ChatGPT, this video will help you a lot. So first of all, you should download the ChatGPT app, and it's way better than using chatgpt.com, the website. The app is much better, especially if you are using it on your mobile phone. So you can download the app for free from any app store, and after that you open it, and of course you should create an account or login, and you can find those videos in our channel. I already created like videos on how to create a ChatGPT account and also how to log into ChatGPT. After that, you can ask ChatGPT any question that you want. For example, what is the weather in Chicago, for example, and it will take just a few seconds, and after that you will receive an answer from ChatGPT, and like you see, it gave you the answer here. So here below the answer you have multiple options. The first one is to copy the answer and like paste it at any place you want. You can also like click on that speaker, so ChatGPT will start reading the answer for you. You can click on the thumbs up like this for ChatGPT to know that you like the answer. And also you can click on that share button to share that answer with any one of your contacts on WhatsApp or whatever social media that you want. And also you can take this answer to a new chat or retry like another answer if you didn't like the answer. For example, I will click on retry and it will try to give us another answer. Of course, if you are not sure about the result that you got, you can click on retry, and or if you want to receive the answer in another form. So if you want to start a new conversation with ChatGPT, as you can see on the top right of the screen, there is that, let me take it up a little bit, there is that pen and paper. Just click on it and it will start a new conversation with you. You can start talking again with ChatGPT. If you want to use the microphone instead of typing, you can use the microphone next to Ask ChatGPT, like the microphone. Click on it and you can start talking with ChatGPT instead of writing. And if you want to have a full conversation, like by speaking with ChatGPT, you have to click on the blue icon next to the microphone and you can start talking, and ChatGPT will talk back to you. Also, if you have or if you want to have an incognito like a conversation with ChatGPT, a conversation that will delete itself after you complete from it. As you can see, there is an icon on the top right of the screen. Click on it, and as you can see, this is temporary chat. When you complete from it, you have just to click again on it and it will be deleted immediately. And if you want to see your old conversations, you have to click on the icon on the top left of the screen, and as you can see, it gives me my old conversations. If you want to delete an old conversation, you have just to long press on it, and as you can see, it will give you multiple options. The last one is delete. Click on it and it will delete the conversation. Also, if you want ChatGPT to create pictures for you, you have to click on the plus and click on plugins. And after that, it will give you multiple options. The first one is create image. So for example, we will ask him to create picture of YouTube Superman, and we have to wait for like few seconds for ChatGPT to complete the creation of the picture. And of course, if you want to upload any file to ChatGPT, you can do it also by clicking on the plus. You can use the camera, take picture of anything and ask ChatGPT about it. You can take like photos, you can upload files also, and you can do like a lot of things. Of course, ChatGPT, when it started, it was a little bit outdated because it hadn't like idea about everything, but now all the informations are new in ChatGPT. And as you can see, it completed the creation of the picture that we asked for. And if you want to download the picture, you have to click on it. And as you can see on the top right of the screen, there is download icon. Click on it. And as you can see, the image is saved. And that's it. Those are like the main options, or the most important options for anyone who is like trying to start with ChatGPT. Of course, there is a lot of other options, but with time you will get used to the app and you will start discovering more options. And of course, after this video also we will post a lot of videos talking about other options. You can see them in our channel. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe in our channel and also to like this video and